Okay, I'm going to show you how to complete this Google Drawings practice activity. So we are going to go ahead and click on this link and make a copy. So in the directions, the first direction says to choose a shape from the drop-down menu or press the insert button at the top. So for example, you can go up and you can go to this shapes drop-down and choose a shape here. Or what you can do is you can go to insert, go down to shape, and then you can also find them there. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my shape, and you can resize it. Now we have to change the fill color. So I'm going to go up and go to this bucket up here, and I'm going to change the color of my object. Now if you want to also change the lines around the outside so they're not black, so they're also yellow, you just go to this border color drop down and you can change the color there. Okay. So the next thing says to add an image of your choice, so some kind of picture. So what we're going to do is you can either go and press this image button and this will pop up, or you can again go to insert image. And I'm going to search one, but if you have one on your computer, you can look in your albums or you can look on your Google Drive, or if you already have a URL with a picture you would like to use, you can insert it there. So I'm just going to go to search and I'm just going to look for an iPad. I'm just going to select the object and then press this select button and it should insert right into my Google Drawings. Okay, and I'm going to just change where I position that. Now we're going to go ahead and add another shape. So I'm going to go up here. I'm going to just look kind of at my shapes and I'm going to go ahead and add one. Again, I'm going to change the color of my shape and the outside border color here. So there we go. Now it says to press order. So we're going to change the location of this object. So we're going to right click, or if you're on a Mac, you're going to control click. You're going to go up to order and you're going to say send backward. So now it is behind the iPad. So what we're going to do now is we're going to insert some word art. So go up to insert, press word art, and you're going to insert your first and last name. Now with word art, you can change the font. You can make it bigger or smaller by dragging the box. So I'm just going to choose a new font, and I might choose just maybe this one and make it bold. And I can go ahead and I can change the color of it as well. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is I want you to tell me where you teach and what grades you teach. So either you can go ahead and you can add a text box to do this, and you can type in there, or what you can do is you can kind of go into one of your shapes and you can write it here. So write your little message in one of your shapes. I should say co-teach. Okay, so you can also go up and change the font of this if you want, make it bigger, smaller. And there you go. You can even change the color by using this text color drop down. Change the color. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to publish our drawing to the web. So I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web. Okay, and in this box will show up. You can change your image size for this. We can just leave it on medium and we can just press publish. It's going to pop up and ask you if you are sure, and you can just press OK. Now what pops up is a link, and you can just go ahead and copy that link. Okay? So now it's published to the web, and you have the URL. So what we need to do is we're going to go to this document and insert our image. So as you can see, I already have an example in there, but if I were to add another example, or for you, you're going to click inside a box, make sure that someone else isn't already using that box. You're going to go up to insert again, and you're going to insert an image, or you can press the image on the bar up here. So I am now going to click by URL because I have a URL, and I'm just going to paste my URL in there, and my image should pop up. So you're going to select it, and it should just show up right inside the box there. And you are done. So now you can kind of check out where everyone is from and kind of get to know some people in our session today.